Treat post-traumatic stress disorder with psychotherapy. Accidents, violent personal assaults, military combat, and disasters are some of the life events that can trigger post-traumatic stress disorder in a lot of people. Though treatment is possible, it is oftentimes difficult since the patient is required to talk about the situation even he is at the gravest situation of his trauma. This is especially true when speaking of psychotherapy. But still, this treatment option is one of the most effective means of dealing with PTSD. Here is how psychotherapy is used in treating PTSD. Consider cognitive therapy in treating PTSD. It is important that you only deal with a qualified and trusted cognitive therapy specialist. You can ask your personal doctor for a referral when searching for a specialist. Once session has started, the therapist will guide you in accepting and understanding the event that caused your disorder. This way, your perception will be changed and so as the trauma will go away. Take medications as prescribed by the cognitive therapist. The specialist can prescribe you necessary medications that will help better in treating the disorder. Make sure you follow the prescription and instruction as provided to you by the therapist. Consider cognitive behavior therapy in treating PTSD. This is another kind of psychotherapy that is known to help in coping with PTSD. This is slightly different from cognitive therapy because this one involves the application of your new understanding to your behavior. Follow the necessary behavior modification strategies as instructed by the therapist. Your therapist will suggest you to modify your behavior patterns in order for you to cope with the disorder. Make sure you follow everything because if you do not, the therapy will be nothing but useless to you. Report your advances to the therapist. Maintain a good communication with the therapist so you can report successful and failed strategies. This will help the therapist to devise new behavior strategies that will be easier and more successful for you based on how you are coping with the problem currently. Consider exposure therapy in treating PTSD. This kind of psychotherapy will expose you to the actual memories and experiences in the traumatic event so you can confront your fear and stress. A psychotherapist will guide you in dealing with the memories in a positive manner to help you treat PTSD. Consider new techniques of psychotherapy when treating PTSD. Your psychotherapist can offer you other technologies in helping you treat PTSD aside from the 3 therapies mentioned above. This is often true if the traditional psychotherapy methods seem not to be working for your advantage. Some of the more modern psychotherapy options include virtual and integrated reality and EDMR or eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. Only follow medications as provided by the psychotherapist. The fact that you are dealing with a professional means that you must not venture all by yourself in picking the drugs you must take in treating the disorder. Only refer to the valid prescriptions of your psychotherapist to ensure you will not worsen your condition in the end. The PTSD is definitely a situation that no one will wish to be tied in for so long. Even after traumatic events, life must continue. Hence, treating the disorder is necessary to avoid more serious effects in the life of the patient. Thanks to psychotherapy options, it is always possible to defeat the trauma and stress brought by any threatening situation that can be thrown to you.